I will talk about how can you find people you like it on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on your like it here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. So then on this page here will appear the gear to you have shown interest here. Just click here on go to detail. Then it's going to show for you, or here you'll find all people you like it in this list here. So I have no one like it. I don't like it anyone yet, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like